Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to import purchase order lines in Axanta ERP. So for that, we'll first click on menu and then we'll go to the purchase module. So here, as you can see, we have created a purchase order for this demonstration with details of vendor reference, currency, date and the location where you are going to receive the shipment. Now, in scenarios where you have a purchase order in which there are huge amount of purchase order lines, so in that case you can use this import functionality. So to import, we will click on this import purchase lines option and then we'll click here to download the Excel file. So as soon as we'll click here on import template for purchase order line, so here an Excel file will get downloaded. So here, as you can see, this is the Excel file which has been downloaded, and here you can see the default columns which will be there in the file, such as product, description, quantity, unit price, discount percent and unit of measure. Also, in case where you have a business wherein you are dealing in lot or expiry products or serial number products, so depending upon the setup, when you will download this Excel file, by default the lot number or the serial number column will be there. Now here in the product column, you can enter the product code or product barcode. Then here in the description column, you can give the product description that you want. But in case if you don't want to give any description, you need to delete this column, as the system will consider a blank as a value. So when you will try to import this file, the system will give you an error and it won't allow you to import. Then here in the quantity column, you need to enter the quantity of the products that you are purchasing. Similarly, in the unit price column, here if you explicitly want to give the unit price, then you need to enter the price here. Or else, if you want that the system to take the default price, then you need to leave this column blank and delete it as well. So in case if you have earlier purchased a particular product with the respective vendor which is there in the PO, then the system will by default take the last purchase price of that product. But in case if you are purchasing with a new vendor or you are purchasing that product for the first time, then it will take the default cost price which is there on the product master. Then here in the unit of measure column, if you want that the system should take the default unit of measure which is set on the product master, so then you need to delete this column as well. Then here in the discount percentage column, so if your supplier is giving you any discount in percentage on specific products, so here in this column you can enter the values. Now let's say if you want to add any new field or column, you can add that as well. So here if you will click on this icon, you will find all these available fields. So depending upon your requirements, you can add it in the Excel file. So for example, instead of the discount percentage column, you want to add this discount amount column. So for that, you need to copy this exact text name of the field which is there in the system, and you need to enter it in the Excel file. So here we'll add the discount amount field. So whatever the exact name is there in the system, we'll enter the same exact name here. And if you don't want this discount percent column, so you can just delete this column as well. Similarly, if your business is having taxes and you want to explicitly give the taxes on the products, so you can add the tax field as well. So this is how you can add various fields as per your requirements. Now we shall enter some product details and we shall see how to import it. So here, as you can see, we have entered all the details. So now we shall see how to import this. So once you have entered all the details, you need to save this file. Once we have saved this file, we shall go to the back office and import this. So now here we need to click on import purchase lines. Then we'll click on upload file. Then we need to select the file that we have prepared. Then here, as you can see, these are all the columns that we had entered in the Excel file. Then here we shall click on this test button to just cross check that all the things are properly entered. So we'll click on test. And here you can see this message that everything seems valid. So which means that the file is ready to import. And if there were any errors, so the system would show you the error message as well. So now we shall click on import. And here, as you can see, all the product details that we had entered in the file are displayed here. So this is how you can import purchase order lines in Axanta ERP.